So is that a transformer?
Yeah.
Oh.
Right here, this is a transformer.
Oh, who got you this transformer? It's pretty cool.
Wolf got me it.
Oh yeah, he did?
Yeah, when he comes over.
That's pretty awesome. Let me see there. What is that?
It's just a robot. And
Okay.
and that turns into a robot.
All
Like
right.
this.
Nice.
Yeah, are you ready to open it?
Yeah, okay, let's open it. Okay.
Tree turns into a robot. Tree turns into a transformer.
Yeah.
Wait. He turns into it. He turns. He
Oh.
turns into a transformer.
Where's the rest of his pieces?
Oh, wait. There's a wizard. There's a wizard.
Nope.
Hey,
A laser? Yeah. So what do lasers do?
what?
What do lasers do?
They eat grass.
No.
Oh, he doesn't. He doesn't turn into a car. He's trying.